Hi, I'm Burt Schroer from Landmark Implement in Fairfield, Nebraska. Today we're going to cover Powercast Chopper maintenance. So some of the things you want to check on your Powercast Chopper is, of course, your drive belts. Make sure that there's no cracks on them, just that they're in good condition. So one thing you should check on your drive for your chopper is the oil level in this gear case, and the plug is here. The proper way to check that adjustment is to have it parallel to the ground. So you want the speed adjust lever and your plug parallel to the ground. Some items you want to check on your Powercast tailboard, of course, is your paddles. These are a plastic material, so make sure that they're not worn out. Another thing you want to check is your actual chopper knife. This knife, of course, isn't in very good shape anymore, so you want to check this part of your knife for wear, and also you want to make sure that your knife is tight through the bushing that holds it to the drums. You can just reach in back here. These are new knives in good condition. You just want to push up and down on your knife to make sure that your bushings aren't too loose. So if you do decide to replace your chopper knives, you at least want to replace them in a set of 3. So the goal of that is to keep your chopper rotor in balance. So you want to replace knives on all 3 sides of your rotor. Another thing that you want to check before harvest is the condition of your fine cut knives. You will move those in during small grains for wheat and beans and out with corn. They are reversible, but make sure you got a good sharp edge on those knives. Another item you want to check is the bearings on your rotor. The grease zerks are behind this cover. There's one on each side. So before harvest, you'll want to check the condition of your paddles on your spinners. These are pretty easy to see, but there is also some paddles up on the top side of the disc that you'll want to inspect also. If you have any questions about this video, be sure and contact your local Landmark dealer.